Hello guys, what's up? So our topic for today is about in-stream ads. I rather to speak in English because some of my followers is from India and Bangladesh. So guys, if you are from other nationality, just comment below which country you're watching from, okay? Too many of my followers, they are all message to me or my friends rather that they are asking about why their in-stream ads is still in review for like 1 week, 2 months, 3 weeks, and some of them are 4 months already, but still the in-stream ads monetization is still in review. So I'll give you the example or the reason why the in-stream ads in review for the long time. So some of the reason guys are number one is you are always loading copyright music. So if you are not yet monetized, so some of the notification you're not receiving because you're not yet monetized. Even then the support inbox is not coming the copyright that you have a copyright. So some copyright it will appear when you are already monetized. So in order guys to use the licensed music from Facebook, so all you need to do is to use only the collection music from Facebook that you can get in Facebook Creator Studio. So number two is some of you are uploading from the other content creator videos. Video from the other content creator. It's one of the reason why you are not still monetized due to that video. Please avoid to upload or re-upload video from the other content creator because as you know that the system of Facebook is artificial intelligence. So if you upload video from the other content creator, so the AI or the artificial intelligence from Facebook recognize that this video is re-upload and you're not the original one. So it will detect the system of Facebook. So I hope you understand. Then number three is you're still uploading with logo from the other platform, which is the logo from the CapCut, logo from Instagram. So anything to re-upload, for example, upload from the TikTok with logo with TikTok, it's not allowed and it's prohibited and it's against to the policy of Facebook. Or so if you upload like that, it will not monetize. So believe me guys, because I know and I'm already monetized. I and every time and time to time I'm reading the rules and regulation of Meta of Facebook. So guys, I will put in the comment section the Facebook monetization policy so that if you want to check or if you want to read, you have idea what is allowed and what is not allowed to re-upload or to do in the policy system of Facebook. So I hope that we upload only as per the policy guideline of Facebook so that it easy to us to monetize here in platform of Facebook. So that's the reason why still some of you guys are not yet monetized in stream ads. For the ads on Reels, there's no issue guys, even though if you have more copyright, because this one is per invitation only. Why I tell like that? Because my sister, she have too many copyright issue, but she invited in ads on Reels. Why? Because she have a video that viral. She have video that viral, and then after that, she got the invitation from Meta that she's invited in ads on Reels. So, guys, we need to be careful. Please avoid the copyright music and just upload only original video, okay? So it's better that no need to use music if you don't know how to download the music, the licensed music from Facebook that you will get in Facebook Sounds Collection from Facebook Studio. So if you don't know how to download, then no need to use the music. It's better just voice over whatever your content you have, and if you want have a music, just voice over your audio so that you have the audio or you have the music from your content. Then avoid guys, as I mentioned earlier, that avoid the all logo from the other platforms such as TikTok, CapCut, or other anything from other platform. Please avoid the watermark from your content. It's not allowed. and it's against from the policy of Facebook. So in order guys to monetize, we need to follow the monetization standard policy so that in the future, if you reach the 60,000 minutes of views, you achieve all the requirements, then automatic Facebook will approve your monetization or your in-stream ads. So for those people that not yet monetize and it's been long time still in review their in-stream ads, so please just review your content. Check properly if you have still what we call this one. Check properly if you have still content that not aligned in the Facebook policy standard, or you have music that not from Facebook collection or from license from Facebook. So it's much better you need to delete that one, or you have a video from the other content creator that you re-uploaded. So please avoid, okay? Because as of now, the system of Facebook is artificial intelligence, so they know very well the original or re-upload videos only. So guys, I hope you understand the tutorial for today. So if you want more video from me, please don't forget to follow or subscribe my YouTube channel. And thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye bye to all.